In 9, we want to figure out a nice transition phrase here, a transition word. So let's, in order to find the transition word, let's read what happened before. So the research demonstrated a clear correlation between introducing phosphates and the growth of blue-green algae. For example, legislators in Canada passed laws. Okay, so for example means that whatever you're about to say is an example of what was said before, right? But that's not the case here. This isn't an example of the introduction of phosphates that led to the growth of blue-green algae, right? And it's not an example of research. So, for example, is pretty inappropriate here. B, similarly, again, that means that what you're about to say is analogous or similar to what was said before, which also isn't actually the case here. However, means what you're about to say is contrary or contradicting what was said before, which also isn't the case here. Because what we see is that legislators passed laws banning phosphates, right? So that seems to be kind of a result of this, or at least it goes hand in hand. So it was discovered that phosphates, at least correlate with the growth of blue-green algae. So they banned phosphates to, have less blue-green algae. And luckily, D fits or is exactly what we need. Subsequently means just, it's not necessarily consequently. It's a little bit different. Consequently means something is the direct result of something else. Subsequently usually means something along the lines of like just next, so or after that, which is exactly what we want here. The research demonstrated clear correlation between these two things. You don't want blue-green algae, so legislators in Canada passed laws banning phosphates in laundry detergents. So D is our answer here.